everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to free up space in Google Drive without deleting files. Secret tip. First of all, open the Google Drive or Drive storage details to see what is using spaces. Then you're going to compress large files and replace originals with compressed versions. Move rarely used files to an external hard drive or another cloud and remove duplicates. Empty drive trash and remove old Gmail attachments if they are taking spaces. Safety tip: inscribed backups of sensitive files before moving or compressing them. Quick fix: convert large images to lower resolution copies for quick temporary space relief, and that's it. Subscribe for more fixes and tutorials.